Saludos estudiantes, and welcome to another video lesson with me, Señora C. So today, we'll be learning 24 terms that are nouns related to the areas of school, home, work, and nature. Well, before we get started, if you have not subscribed, go ahead, click that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you will know each time a new video is published. All right, let's dive in. School, la escuela. El maestro, el profesor, male teacher. La maestra, la profesora, female teacher. Maestro and maestra are typically used in an elementary school setting, whereas profesor and profesora are generally used for teachers at the middle, high school, and university levels. El estudiante, el alumno, male student. La estudiante, la alumna, female student. What's the difference? Well, first of all, estudiante is gender neutral, meaning the word itself doesn't change. You only have to change the article to el or la based on the gender of the person. In addition, estudiante is a generalized term for any student. For example, you are studying Spanish right now here on YouTube, and you may not be in a traditional school setting, but you are considered estudiante. Alumno and alumna, however, imply that the student is enrolled in a class or a school. El libro, book. El pupitre, desk, what a student would typically use. El escritorio, desk, what a teacher would use or what you might have at home or at an office. El lápiz, pencil. La mochila, backpack. Home, la casa. La sala, living room. El sofá, sofa. La cocina, kitchen. La mesa, table. La silla, chair. El dormitorio, bedroom. La habitación, bedroom. There's a difference. Dormitorio is commonly used for bedrooms in homes or hotels. Habitación, on the other hand, can be a more general room in a house, hotel, or building. Especially in Spain, it's normally used for bedroom. Work, el trabajo. El jefe, male boss. La jefa, female boss. La oficina, office. El teléfono, phone. La computadora, computer. La llamada de conferencia, conference call, or you might also call this el reunión virtual, virtual meeting. El correo electrónico, email. Hey, don't forget. Nature, la naturaleza. El árbol, tree. La flor, flower. El parque, park. In el parque, in the park, you may experience many aspects of nature, such as trees, grass, birds, and small bodies of water, like ponds or streams. El sol, sun. La luna, moon. And finally, la nube, cloud. Now that you have learned all these terms, what other vocabulary in these categories would you like to know? Give me 4 terms in the comments. Thanks for watching.
Hasta luego. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you, and enjoy the música.